Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E1686P. 41,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black Onyx in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Stow go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear climate control. Middle row bucket seats are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. All rear windows have sunshades as well. Backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side. Perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Don't forget they are heated. This GT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated steering wheel and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror. Liftgate and sliding door controls. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.